Hello class 12th. In previous video we have already discussed about the zeolite catalysis in surface chemistry, and today we will study about the enzyme catalysis. Okay, enzyme catalysis. First of all, we will understand what is the enzyme. What is enzyme? Enzymes are the nitrogen containing complex organic compound which are synthesized in the living body or living beings, or act as or the work as catalyst in all biochemical process is known as the enzyme. I am writing here the definition. What is the enzyme? Enzymes are the nitrogen containing complex organic compound which are found in living beings and act as catalyst in biochemical reaction. Okay, they act in our body, so these are also known as biochemical catalyst. These are also known as biochemical catalyst. Why these are known as biochemical catalyst? Because they are active in our body. They act as catalyst in all biochemical process, so these are known as biochemical catalyst. Okay, the molecular weight of enzymes are very high. These have the high molecular weight because these are the complex organic compounds, so the molecular weight of enzymes are very high. Okay, and the reactions, and one more thing that is very important, after remaining the outside in our body, they act as properly. They do not lose their identity in the outside of your body. हम अपनी बॉडी से बाहर निकाल लेंगे, उसके बाद में भी इनकी एक्टिविटी पर कोई इफेक्ट नहीं पड़ता है. देयर विल बी नो इफेक्ट ऑफ एनी एक्टिविटी ऑफ एंजाइम आउटसाइड द बॉडी. ओके, अब व्हाट इज द एंजाइम कैटालिसिस? ओके, एंजाइम कैटालिसिस, the reactions in which enzyme are used as catalyst are known as the enzyme catalysis. The reactions in which enzyme are used as catalyst are known as enzyme catalysis, as we are reading here. Okay, so the reactions in which enzyme are used as catalyst are known as the enzyme catalysis, and we will understand some important examples related to enzyme catalysis. But first, you take the screenshot for this definition, then I will tell you some examples related to enzyme catalysis. Okay, so take the screenshot for this. Okay, so I am writing here some example related to enzyme catalysis. Examples of enzyme catalysis. First, and very important example. Conversion of sucrose, okay, conversion of sucrose or conversion of invertase into glucose and conversion of sucrose into glucose and fructose. Conversion of sucrose into glucose and fructose. Sucrose C12H22O11. When is hydrolysis, then it will convert in glucose. This is the glucose, and fructose C6H12O6. This is the fructose, and this reaction will take place in the presence of enzyme, and the enzyme is invertase. Okay, in the presence of invertase, sucrose hydrolysis in glucose and fructose. Okay, you will ask me, sir, the molecular formula of these two substances are same. How will we identify that this is the glucose and this is the fructose? You will identify it from the functional group. In glucose, the aldehyde functional group, and in fructose, the functional group is ketonic. Okay, and I will tell you about this functional group in two chapters: aldehyde, ketone, and carboxylic acid, and biomolecules. Okay, then we will discuss about there. Okay, another example: conversion of glucose into ethyl alcohol. Conversion of glucose into ethyl alcohol. How will you convert the glucose into ethyl alcohol? Glucose C6H12O6 in the presence of zymase. In the presence of zymase, glucose will convert into ethyl alcohol and also form CO2 gas. Okay, if in any reaction CO2 is formed, it means it is the fermentation reaction. This is the fermentation of glucose into ethyl alcohol, and we will also teach this in the alcohol, phenol, and ether. Okay, this reaction will take place in the presence of an enzyme, that is zymase. But I have already told to you the enzymes are found in living being. So these enzymes will be found in any living being. Invertase and zymase both are found in a bacteria yeast. Both are found in the bacteria yeast. And a most important question that I will ask you: let's tell me about the two enzymes, or the name of two enzymes found in yeast, and also write the catalysis reaction of that. So the two enzymes found in yeast is invertase and zymase, and these are the catalysis reaction. Okay. Third example, conversion of starch into maltose. Starch into maltose. Okay, starch to C6H10O5 whole N, and then we will hydrolysis is in the presence of diastase, enzyme diastase. It will be converted into C12H22O11, and it is the maltose. And diastase enzyme is found in malt. It is found in malt. It's very important. Okay. Another example of enzyme catalysis, that is conversion of urea into ammonia. Urea into ammonia. What will be the formula of urea? NH2 C double bond O NH2. Okay, NH2 C double bond O NH2. After hydrolysis, it will be form 2 molecules of NH3 and also form CO2. Okay, this reaction will occur in the presence of urease. This reaction will occur in the presence of urease. Okay, and the urease enzyme found in soybean. Okay, you should also remember the sources in the sources by which we can find the enzyme. Okay, milk into curd. Milk into curd. You know very well, milk changes into curd, but this reaction will also be take place in the presence of enzyme, and the enzyme will be used are here lactobacillus. You know very well, and the sources is lactobacillus bacteria. Lactobacillus. In the presence of lactobacillus, milk will be converted into the curd. Okay. So take the screenshot for the first for these enzyme catalysis. I'm telling you two more enzyme. One is pepsin. Pepsin is found in stomach. Okay, pepsin is found in stomach. First you take the screenshot for this, then I will tell you about this. Okay, take it. Thank you. The enzyme pepsin finds in the stomach, and it convert the pepsin enzyme convert protein into peptide. Protein into peptide. By which enzyme? Pepsin. And where it is found? In stomach. The sources is also important. Okay, an enzyme that is trypsin enzyme. Okay, trypsin enzyme convert the protein into amino acid in basic medium. This process will occur in acidic medium, and this process will occur in basic medium. Protein is converted into amino acid in the presence of trypsin enzyme. Amino acid. Okay, in the presence of trypsin enzyme in basic medium. All these reactions are occur in the presence of enzyme. Okay, so these are the enzyme catalysis reaction. An enzyme, you know very well, amylase. Amylase finds in our saliva. लार के अंदर होती है एंजाइम, लार के अंदर एमाइलेज एंजाइम होता है जो स्टार्च का डिग्रेडेशन कर देता है सुक्रोज में। भाई हम लोग स्टार्च लेते हैं, किसके फॉर्म में आप लोग स्टार्च लेते हो? आप लोग पोटैटो खाते हो, मील्स वगैरह लेते हो, चाहे वो गेहूं हो, चावल हो, कुछ भी हो, ठीक है। तो जो मील लेते हो तो वो स्टार्च आप ले रहे हो। अब वो स्टार्च ऐसा का ऐसा तो जाता नहीं है, हमारी लार उसमें मिक्स हो जाती है। तो वो क्या करता है, लार जो होती है ना, लार में होती है एमाइलेज एंजाइम, एंड एमाइलेज एंजाइम विल डिग्रेड द स्टार्च इनटू सुक्रोज। वो सुक्रोज के अंदर इसको कन्वर्ट कर देता है। ठीक है. So these are the enzyme catalysis reaction. Okay, in the next video I will tell you some more about the enzyme catalysis reaction, some important features about the catalysis reaction. Okay, so take the screenshot for this, and in the next video we will discuss about some more features about enzyme catalysis reaction. Thank you so much.